Vegas, baby. We finally made it.
Everybody's going to the drone show.
Ladies and gentlemen, win $100,000 next year for the most original drone prototype developed by a husband and wife team.
Looks like you better learn how to fly this drone.
I call Milton Weasel because he gets us out of all kinds of scrapes.
And I call Weasel Grasshopper because wherever we are,
He disappeared.
Disappeared?
I want to be someplace else. It was another beautiful day in Nevada, so my husband and I decided to go hiking in the mountains to fly his special new prototype drone. It looked pretty exciting, so I asked if I could learn to fly it.
Well, that's a good idea, but it's several things that you do have to watch out for. Whatever you do, don't push this button.
You mean this button?
I said don't push that button.
I thought you meant this button.
No, don't push this button.
Get off me.
No, don't push that button.
Oh no!
That's a special button.
Well, help me. How do I stop this thing?
Just get out of the way.
You broke my drone.
You told me the wrong button.
I told you not to push that button. Oh no, I lost contact. You're gonna have to go get it.
I'm not going after it.
Well, thanks to you, we lost the drone and missed the contest.
Maybe I need a better teacher.
Well, how would that help? You and your fancy fingers.
Maybe you need to speed up a little bit.